Welcome to Cooking with the Moody's. It's Mom, Moody Mom, and Moody Nana, Montgomery Martin. Now we're gonna do the dressing. So we're gonna do some dressing for you guys. So Mom, take it away.
Okay. First thing you do is take the cornbread that's already prepared. I already gave you all the information on how to prepare. Okay.
The cornbread. That was on the last video.
This needs to be washed out.
Okay, let's wash it out for the people so they can have some clean stuff, because that was the cornbread. Clean it. So she's putting cornbread in a bowl, it looks like. Hot, fresh cornbread. You gonna use all that cornbread? I might want some. So let's see. Hey babe, you need anything? Okay.
I was just getting tea.
Tea, okay.
I was making a big load, for Daya.
Oh, I get what you're saying. Okay.
I was trying to make a lot.
Okay, a lot, yeah, because I like the dressing. So yeah, let's just scrape all that cornbread up then. But the Moody Dad, he'll make cornbread for you guys one day. Look at AJ, he hungry too. He like, give me some food.
Feed
Cornbread in the bowl. Okay, here you go. She's pouring. What are you doing, Mom? You gotta tell me.
I'm stirring up the cornbread with gizzards, celery, bell pepper, and onion.
Okay, so I guess she already had cut up the
gizzards.
gizzards. She cut up the gizzards. She cut up celery. She cut up bell pepper and onions. Oh, it smells good. Just like eat it. Okay. So let's move you a little bit closer. Over there, we're gonna have to move you a little bit closer. I want to see how it looks. Look at that.
I'm gonna put the sage in it. Make it taste good.
Okay. And what is that?
This is chicken broth.
Chicken broth. Okay.
I'm going to use cream of chicken and cream of mushroom.
Okay.
So I'm going to leave that right there. I'll put the cream of chicken and the cream of mushroom. They down here on the floor.
Okay. We're going to just leave that there. We're going to wait while you get it.
Get the cream of chicken and the cream of mushroom, and they are all ready to be opened.
Okay. So just rinse the top off. Cream of chicken and cream of mushroom. These look like Meyer. And I don't know where the other one is from, but.
Hey, no free promotion.
Ah, you're so funny. That's Moody Dad talking there. Okay. Well, you can get it wherever you want to buy it from. Let me get all that cream of chicken, huh? Just spin it around. When you put it in there. There you go. Gotta get in there.
I'm going to put this one.
Oh, what is that? Cream of chicken.
The other was cream of mushroom.
Oh, okay. Cream of mushroom. Okay.
Cream of mushroom.
Cream of mushroom and cream of chicken.
Cream of chicken.
That looks good over there. You gotta just move it over again. Look at that. Oh, cream of chicken and cream of mushroom with the cornbread.
Now I'm ready to pour the gizzards and vegetables of celery, baking powder, and onion. Oh, that's later.
You said baking powder?
I use baking soda. Baking powder.
Oh, okay.
It's down on the floor.
Oh, okay.
I had to use it for this kind of bread.
Okay.
See, sometimes because the bread is already, made up.
Okay.
You may put an egg or something in it.
You had to put eggs in that cornbread.
I put 2 of them in there, and I put the eggs in the refrigerator.
Look at that homemade dressing. Look at it. You can already see it come together. That look good.
Now I gotta get some sage. Give me some sage. Sage.
She said sage. She really liked that sage. You hear it? Sage, sage, sage. Ba-da-boom, ba-da-boom, ba-da-boom. There she goes. Sage. Oh, she's saging it up. Okay. Sage. A lot of sage. Sage, sage, sage.
So it's supposed to be like that.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
it's okay.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay, now I need to put some croutons.
Okay, so
I'm
where
probably gonna need
the
some more
bread.
chicken broth.
Chicken broth,
Croutons.
croutons, chicken broth, some more. Some chicken broth.
Okay.
This
You
is
can
the
pour
kind
it.
I use.
Make sure it's done. I mean, all right. It's all right. I mean,
It says December 20th, 2021.
okay.
Wait, how do you make sure? You pour it out, and what color should it be?
That's the color.
Clear?
it is.
Okay.
Okay.
You pour it in there a little bit.
Okay.
Now, we don't have any measurements for you guys. You just gotta wing it. You know, I mean, all them croutons. Whoa, that's about half of the bag. A little bit more. Oh. And
That's
then-
my chicken broth.
Oh, you want some more?
Yeah.
Let me pour it on that. Let me pour it on that. You want me to pour it around? In the
Yeah,
circle?
just try to get them wet.
Okay. Oh, let's try to get them wet. Okay.
I'll probably cleanse the pot down too.
Is that good? Or you want the whole thing in there?
I gotta get some bread in here.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to let them see that. That looks good.
There you go.
Oh, okay. Look at that.
What
It
is it?
already look like dressing. Look at that. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah, okay. And she just spinning it.
I gotta put some bread
Stirring
in
it.
it.
Okay.
I'm probably gonna use the whole thing of crouton.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to make double portion.
Okay, sounds good to me. You know, I love dressing. That's my favorite thing. Dressing in ham. Yeah. Look at baby Moody woke up. Dwayne, say hi. You got all my lipstick all over you. I just was kissing you. Mommy kiss you, huh? I have to get that off of you. Yeah.
Oh, who did it?
Got my shirt back on. Hey, we thankful. What does this say? Grateful and blessed. Yeah.
I get some more sage. Oh, here it is.
See, I told you she loved that sage.
Mm.
Sage. So,
I'm gonna have you taste it.
y'all should go and try this recipe and see if y'all like it. How to make homemade dressing. Cause that store-bought dressing, it's alright, but it ain't got nothing on this. Yeah, Dwayne, you just waking up. She put the rest of the croutons in it, the whole bag. Cause we making double portions. Now you gonna need more of that. You need more? Have to show y'all a little bit closer. Look at that.
I'm gonna have to have you taste it. Get a little spoon.
Okay, hold on.
Okay. I'll get a little spoon.
Just watching you stir it real quick.
Okay.
A
I just
whole
want to
bunch of it.
taste it. Anything add to it.
Okay. So,
We could just let it
as
sit
you can
here.
see, we're gonna let that sit there. We're gonna
Taste
come
it.
back and we're gonna bring the
Spoon.
no, we're gonna come back and bring the final product. We're gonna let you see it.
Oh, what's the final product?
So when we done, we're gonna let y'all see it. Okay?
Give me a spoon.
Okay. She finna taste it, so we'll let y'all see it when we done. Boop, boop, ba-dam, boom. Okay, let me
I got 2 pans.
bring it over there to you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay. Ooh, that look good. That's enough. Where's the third pan?
Look at that.
Look, wait, here's the third pan. That's a lot in there. Make sure it's even, sort of. Because you don't want it coming over.
Right, they don't come over unless it cooks too long.
Oh, okay.
Gotta get hot. It's not hot. Okay, now I'm gonna use
That in that one.
this one. Yeah. Let's see what I can.
Yeah, that looks good.
Sorry.
It's fine. Keep going. You can add some more in that one, probably.
Yeah.
From that one. And so, my mom know that I love dressing. So, that's why she making 3 pans, you know. So, because I can have my own to eat by myself. But, so yeah, that's that. Let's see. Love dressing. Eat by myself on pan. Let's see. Oh, our kitchen is getting dirty already. When we only made the greens earlier in another video, the dressing now, and cornbread in another video. We're gonna make turkey in another video. We're giving y'all a whole bunch of videos that y'all can sit and watch. You know, when Thanksgiving is coming up now, so y'all can make it for Christmas or Thanksgiving a little late. So we'll just let y'all know.